So this is the room that I teach in every week. One of our initial projects was to renovate this room. So we repainted the whole thing. Let me show you what it looked like first. And then it looked like this before we decided to renovate it. And this is what it looks like now. And we did a whole bunch of stuff to this room. We put lights in here. We bought our own projector there. We have a screen there that goes down. We repainted all the walls. We raised money amongst all the kids and we bought a microwave. So we bought that microwave. And then that refrigerator is from my house. So I brought that from my house. We have breakfast each week here right on this table on Sundays. We don't need the tablecloth because we're not having breakfast today. So here are just the snacks for later on today. Every Friday, there's some snacks that they can take. This is our little modern chandelier for the breakfast table. So we have that. And then over here, we have drinks. Now, one rule about the drinks is that all the labels must always be facing forward. I don't know. I used to watch MTV Cribs when I was younger. And on MTV Cribs, anytime they go inside the refrigerator, all the labels always used to be facing forward for all the drinks and all the stuff, all the food. So I kind of liked how that looked. Every week, one of the young adults draws something on the board. That's what she drew last week. Get it? You rock, you rule. So clever. And this is where I spend every Friday night teaching youth leadership and empowerment lessons to teenagers between the ages of 13 and 23. 21, 23, 13 and up. I had to come here and set everything up for this evening. And now, time to keep it moving. Sir, ma'am, sorry. Ma'am, what are you doing here? No, really, I don't mean to bother you. But I feel like okay, never mind. It looks like I'm bothering you. All right. Okay, later. Enjoy your rest.